According to thinkprogress.org, people from 12 states that enacted the law to legalize medical marijuana caused those 1,700 fewer painkiller overdose deaths. Using this sort of tool has dated back since ancient Egypt and Chinese cultures. Medical marijuana does help people with medical illness. I hope to address this problem, create an effective solution, and seek out others' opinions on this subject. Medical cannabis is a great use of means to help others. Any of you could know someone who has used this and it has worked. The problem, in my opinion, is that medical marijuana is not legal everywhere, according to drugpolicy.org. Legalizing it everywhere will not be easy. It has already been legalized in 20 states. Those 20-some states have been legalizing them over a couple decades of long, hard debate. It should also be removed from the criminal justice system as it is not a large problem and can be regulated as alcohol and tobacco. I've seen that it seems like medical marijuana supporters seem to be going up, but the federal government shows no sign of giving up. The Obama administration has been even spending $300 million to combat the legality of it. My problem is one thing, but the effects of this are another. According to Dr. Lester Grinspoon, professor at Harvard University's Medical School, there are no deaths from cannabis-related use, ibttimes.com. Anyone can die from ingesting too much coffee, too much aspirin, or any other medical things except marijuana. You have to smoke 15,000 joints in 20 minutes to get a very small amount of toxic poisoning. Medical marijuana has also been known to help with Alzheimer's disease by preventing an enzyme from accelerating Alzheimer's plaques that form in the brain and protein clumps that won't allow brain cognition better than over-the-counter meds. This also has decreased what is known as Dravet syndrome, which causes you to have seizures. Another aspect this helps with is keeping you skinny and helping your metabolism move along. It also has a better response to sugar by using it. One more thing it helps with is those military veterans suffering from PTSD, or post-traumatic stress disorder. In New Mexico, PTSD is one reason people will choose to get a license for medical marijuana. Lastly, it is known to make you slightly more creative. People were known to create a more different range of words when asked different questions about them. In fact, those people were known to use different parts of their brain to come up with these words. What people say is interesting, but the solution is equally important. Creating a solution to this problem isn't the easiest part of all this. However, it is not entirely impossible. There are several things that it helps with. One of these is glaucoma, according to BusinessInsider.com. This product can improve lung health. How it does this is it allows your lung capacity to expand and help improve its health. It does not impair the lungs' functions at all. Researchers have tested this lung capacity of 5,115 patients over 20 years, and tobacco users lost the ability to have large lung capacity, but those using marijuana gained a larger size, which is probably due to the inhaling and exhaling. It also helps create jobs in the economy and helps make the revenue needed. The drug marijuana is a very useful tool in helping those with tobacco and health or disease and health problems feel better. I hope I challenged your expectations through my expansion of this problem, the effects, and the solution. So I hope you think differently about this subject.